Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Knowles in Mandeville, Manchester. Here you will find this house, which is approximately 2,809 square feet. The land area is 0.23 acres. It consists of a veranda, a single car garage, a living room, master bedroom with ensuite bathroom, and a closed closet. Two other bedrooms, each with closed closet, two bathrooms, a dining room, a kitchen with hardwood cupboards and hardwood countertops, a kitchenette with hardwood cupboards and hardwood countertops, a linen closet, and three passageways. The building also features a one-bedroom flat, which consists of a bedroom, living room, a kitchen with hardwood cupboards and hardwood countertops, a bathroom, and a small room. The land is enclosed with concrete block walls, mounted with iron grills, chain link fencing, concrete columns, and double swing iron gate and a pedestrian iron gate at the entrance. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 45 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.